What's up, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroo.com, and today I have another two-part series for you. So this one is going to be all about Instagram ads. The way I'm going to break this up is today, the first video, is going to be about Instagram feed ads. So if you didn't know, there's two different ways to run Instagram ads. You can either run them right on the Instagram feed, so it's going to be in between all of your friends' posts, your ad will show up right there. Or the other way to do this, which is going to be part two, is running on Instagram stories. So a user can be swiping through their stories and they see your ad and they can swipe up and go right to your landing page. So both of these methods are super effective. I'm going to be picking a different offer for each type of ad. And if you didn't know, Facebook owns Instagram, so all of your Instagram ads will be run through the Facebook Business Manager. So in both of these videos, we're going to be picking a product, creating the ad images, creating the landing pages that we will take our users to after they click on our ads, and then finally just setting up the ads themselves. So that's enough introduction. Let's go straight into picking the first offer. So I'm going to stick with the theme of Maxbounty. I've been picking a lot of offers off of Maxbounty lately, and we're just going to keep rolling with that. So what I like to do most is I either look at the top campaigns or look at the trending campaigns. I've been looking at top campaigns lately, so let's go into the trending campaigns. And I decided before I even made this that we're going to do a Nutra offer. These Nutra offers are pretty much weight loss offers. And this is dangerous. This is dangerous stuff because Facebook does not like Nutra offers. So we have to figure out a way to do this safe. And I put quotations around safe because when it comes to Facebook, there is no 100% safety guarantee. At some point, if you're running Nutra offers, you're going to get your ad accounts disabled. So just keep that in mind when we're making this. I've run Nutra offers in the past. I've had ad accounts disabled. I've learned a lot from those experiences. So stick with me here. And if you do decide to run these offers, just know that there is a chance that you will risk your ad accounts getting disabled. And don't come crying back to this video because I warned you. So I'm just going to look through these Maxbounty offers. I'm under the trending campaigns, so these are ones that are doing well recently. And Maxbounty has a whole lot of keto offers. Those are the ones that are doing the best across the network, and it's just really popular. It's a really popular diet. It might not be around in a couple years, so might as well just get in there while we can. And when we're looking at these, there's two types. There's one that's going to be just a straight sale, and we'll get a commission on when they make a sale of whatever it is they're selling. And then there's free trial offers. So I'll show you one of each. This one is going to be the straight sale. It says on a completed purchase, you'll get $72. And on this one, for example, this is the free trial. This person will go through, they will put in their credit card details because it'll be like a free plus shipping offer. So they'll get the supplement, whatever it is, and they'll pay about $4 to $5 for shipping. And then when that happens, when they pay that $5, you'll get $37 for that lead. And then it says leads coming from people using MasterCards will only pay out $8. So hopefully you don't get people using MasterCards. And yeah, as you can see, shipping and handling is $4.99. So that is what they'll pay up front. And when they do that, when they pay that $4.99, you'll get $37. Personally, I don't really like to run these. I have in the past. The only reason I don't like to is just, it's kind of scammy. These offers won't exactly tell their customer when they're going to get billed. So they'll get the free trial. And then shortly after that, maybe 2 weeks later or a week later, they'll charge them for like $80 and it'll be like a subscription, and it's hard to cancel and people normally end up unhappy. So I tend to stay away from these. Yes, they can make you money, but is it worth not being able to sleep at night? I don't really think so, but you might, so it's all up to you. So with that being said, I would much rather do just the straight completed sale. So I'm going to go with this one right here. This is keto weight loss. And we can run this in the US, Canada, United Kingdom, and Ireland. When we make a sale, we'll get $72. This is what the landing page looks like. Pretty clean. There's a lot of good information, testimonials, things like that. So when they come to this, they're going to have all the information that they would ever need about this product. So this bottle is going to cost around $60 to $80 most likely, and we'll get $72 per lead. So that is a lot of room to work with for us. As always, you'll want to build your tracking link. So just hit build tracking link. Select social, raw link, and then we'll just pick the first landing page right here, copy this, and we'll save that for later. So the first step is done. We picked our product. Now we will move on to the landing page. We're going to set that up, and this is where the people will go to after they click on our ads. So for this, I am using ClickFunnels. I think I've said this before, but I use ClickFunnels for all of my landing pages. Works out really well. If you don't have ClickFunnels, again, it's totally fine. But if you want to follow along, then this is what I will be using. So I'm going to come on over to my funnels and add a new funnel, create a new funnel. Again, our objective isn't really here, so we'll just go choose emails, and I'll call this Keto Quiz. I should probably explain exactly what the process is going to be here. So Facebook really doesn't like weight loss. They don't like any kind of weight loss ads on their network because they can create a bad user experience for people on Facebook. So if they don't get the results that people are claiming, then people are going to be upset, and then all that is going to go back to Facebook. So we have to work around that. In order to do so, what we're going to set up is a quiz. When they come to our landing page, it's going to be a little bit mysterious. They're going to have to answer 3 to 4 questions, and once they do that, then they will be sent over to the landing page. So there's quite a bit of space in between the ad and the weight loss offer. So hopefully this is going to help us keep our ad accounts safe and keep Facebook happy. And because we're sending the people straight to the offer after they come to our landing page, then we'll only need one step, so we can just get rid of the thank you page. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a quiz template. So I'm just going to type in quiz, and hopefully we can find something good. I'll preview this one. I will preview this one. All right, these look really good. I think I'm going to go with the pink one. So we will select this template and we will begin editing it. All right, so some of the things that we want to change are, if you have a logo, throw it right here. I do not have a logo, I'll get rid of it. Also on the footer. Make sure you have a terms of service, privacy policy, and disclaimer. Facebook looks for that stuff. If they don't have it, they will not be happy, and they will probably shut down your ad accounts. At the very least, they'll shut down your ads. We're also going to want to put a disclaimer right here saying that this site is not affiliated with Facebook in any way. So something like that will do. The site is in no way affiliated with Facebook or any of its other platforms. That could probably be better, but for now, that's what we're going to go with. All right, so there's 2 sections to this. We got the headline that's going to be on, that's going to show above all the questions, and then we got this quiz section, which is going to house all the questions and all the answers. So the first thing that will change is the title, and we want to use similar wording between the ad, the landing page, and the offer. So in order to get that language, I'm going to go over to the offer and see if I can pull some stuff out of that. Keep in mind, you don't want to use any words like fat, weight loss, weight, lose weight, anything like that. Don't say any words that are going to trigger Facebook, because they'll be sending their bots over to your page. And if they see any words that are like that, any claims saying that you might lose 30 pounds in 10 days, anything like that, they are definitely not going to approve your ads, and you risk your ad account being shut down. So we're going to be as safe as possible, and we're just going to use some ambiguous kind of language. And that also works to create an open loop, and the only way to close that loop is to go through this quiz and end up on our offer page. All right, so I've just been scrolling through here, and I found some sciencey words that we're just going to throw in there. So I'll show you right now what I came up with. All right, so I've got new scientific breakthrough identifies key substrate needed to achieve ketosis. And please complete this brief quiz so I can better present this training based on your personal needs. All right, so that looks good to me. People are going to be wondering, what is this new scientific breakthrough? And the only way that they're going to be able to find out is by completing the quiz and going to our offer. That's really the point of this, is we want to get as many people over to the offer as possible, because they have done the split testing. They have figured out exactly what converts. So as long as we can get them over there, then our job is done. So next, I'm going to create these questions. So if we just click on this and we go edit survey options, then we'll see that we have just one question here, but I said I wanted 3 or 4 because we really want to qualify these people to make sure that they are who we want going to the offer. All right, so I'm going to come up with 3 to 4 questions, and I will meet you back when I am done. All right, so I changed up the questions a bit, and I will take you through them right now. So the first question is, how old are you? I just want them to feel like they're in the right place. They're going to see their age range. It's going to be an easy question just to get them to the next one. So next, we're getting them into the state of mind that this is a weight loss product. We want them to be in that frame of mind. So we're going to ask them, how many diets have they tried in the last year? This is also going to make them think about, some of their failures, because if they're here, there's a good chance that they were on a diet at some point and maybe it didn't work out for them. All right, and the final question is, have you ever heard of beta hydroxybutyrate, or BHB? So what this is is back on the landing page, this is kind of their key ingredient. This is the substrate. I don't know what a substrate is. I don't know anything about science, but this is going to further create that open loop. And most likely they have no idea what this is, because I have no idea what this is. So if I saw this, I would say no, because I have no idea what it is. And then that question would be in my mind, like, what is this? Why are they asking me this? And what does it have to do with achieving ketosis? And the only way to find that out is by clicking no, and then going to the next page, which I didn't set up yet. So let's do that real quick. So in order to get them to redirect over to your affiliate offer once they complete the survey, we'll open this back up, edit survey options, outcomes, go like this. So we will just throw our affiliate link in right here, and that is all good. And so now I'll just go through it and show you that when we complete this, we will go over to the affiliate offer. So boom, boom, boom. All right, so analyzing your results. And as you can see, it opens up the affiliate offer in the same window just like that. It takes 2 seconds. It's really fast, actually. So that is all good right there. All right, so 2 steps down, we have picked the offer and we have created the landing page. Now we're just going to create an ad real quick. So in order to do this, we're going to go to canva.com, a free tool for creating graphics. And I'm going to make create a design, custom dimensions, 1024, 1024. Squares are good. Okay, so when we're creating this image, we want to get people to stop. That's goal number 1. So in order to do this, we want to make something that almost doesn't look like it belongs on Instagram. Some people will say that you want to blend your content into Instagram, but I think a better option is to be so against the curve that they have to stop. They're gonna be like, what is this? Why is this on here? Let me read it, let me click on it, let me buy it. And hopefully that's what they say. All right, so I'm actually gonna use an image that I have previously tested on Instagram ads, and this has definitely gotten me some sales in the past. Will it get you sales now? Probably not. I wouldn't recommend copying it. But this ad works in a very similar way to the quiz that we just did. It's going to create an open loop in their mind. They're gonna be like, what is this woman doing? Why are these highlights there? Like, what does all of this mean? And we're going to say something on the ad that, you know, talks about either ketosis or that BHB thing that I can't pronounce. The point of all of this is to create questions inside of the user's mind. Hopefully we'll be able to answer them once they get to the offer. So this is all set. I'm just going to throw a border around it to make it stand out even more. So I'll go to elements, shapes, in a box, drag that up. Okay, so I just made the border the same color as these highlights right here, and yeah, that's all good. Just a heads up, these vector type images do really well on Instagram for some reason. I've gotten really high click-through rates with them in the past, probably because they just look so weird, you know, like I can't tell you exactly what it is psychologically that does it for people, but these types of images definitely get high click-through rates. So that's all set. We will download this now. And we'll move on to the last step, which is just setting up our ads. So I'm over in my ads manager. We will create a new campaign. Once again, we could either go for traffic or conversions. I tend to lean towards traffic, but conversions also works really well. So definitely worth a split test. I will call this keto and set up ad account. Okay, remember that we can run this in Canada, Ireland, UK, and US. So we will put in those countries. While we can just throw all of the countries into one ad set, it is definitely a better idea to break them all into different ad sets so that you can see which one performs the best. But just for this, I'm going to throw them all into one. Another good split test would be age ranges. You want to see what converts best, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 plus. I probably even wouldn't go for a weight loss offer. I probably wouldn't go under 30. Not that you can't get sales. Most of the time it'll work better for an older audience. And then we'll just switch this over to women because there's a woman in our ad. There's a woman on the landing page. It's kind of definitely geared towards women. All right, in terms of targeting, you can go super broad with something like weight loss, extreme weight loss. Weight loss, well, there you go. This is a really big audience. So that's going to be 32 million people. And then you could always, push suggestions. You've got things like diet food, healthy habits. All of these would be great to test on their own in their own ad sets to see which will perform better. For placements, remember we're only doing this on Instagram feeds, so I'm only gonna click Instagram feeds and uncheck everything else. Budget is up to you. I would normally go $5 to $10 a day. That's it on the ad set level. Over to the ad level. I have this page from previous endeavors. This is Diane from heartyhappyandhealthy.com. Sometimes it's a good idea to get a face behind your page. Obviously it doesn't have to be your face, it could just be an avatar like this. And even a small thing like this can definitely help out your click-through rates. So for the Instagram account, this is the persona that we're going to be showing. We'll use this selected page right here, and we just want a single image. Add that image. We will throw in our website URL to our ClickFunnels landing page. And we'll just come up with a little copy. So with Instagram ads, you're only able to see like 1 or 2 lines before it cuts off. So you really have to make the most of that limited space. So I'm gonna come up with a little copy and I will meet you back in a sec. All right, so yeah, you really only have like 2 lines to work with. So you definitely have to make the most of those. My copy here is, this new breakthrough has people rethinking ketosis. I've been trying it out lately and I feel great. Click learn more to get started. So the only other thing that I would really do is just throw in a couple of emojis maybe. Yeah, it should work out pretty well. It's a little bit easier with Instagram ads. There's no headline and you don't see the URL, so you don't have to make a display link or anything like that. And when you're all set, hit confirm and your campaign will be running. Alrighty, so that is how I would set up a Instagram feed ad using a Maxbounty offer. Just to recap, we picked the offer, we made the quiz landing page, we created an ad image, and then we set up the Facebook ad inside of our business manager. So go out, try something like this. It doesn't have to be the same offer. It doesn't even have to be a weight loss offer. There's tons of different verticals that can do well on Instagram feeds. So go ahead, try out some things, and let me know how it goes. Anyways, just do me a favor real quick. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. I hope your business managers and your ad accounts stay safe forever. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.